I am currently at Vorobyovy Gory station. These showcases, which look like cryogenic capsules from movies, display costumes from the films Gorod, The Evil City, which was released in wide release on January 30th, 2025. The Evil City is a Russian historical film directed by Konstantin Buslov about the defense of Kozelsk during the Mongol invasion of Kievan Rus. Vorobyovy Gory metro station is one of the most unique and picturesque stations in the city's metro system. Opened in 1959 as part of the Sokolnichesky line, it is notable for being the only station in Moscow situated on a bridge above the Moskva River. This architectural marvel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the river, Luzhniki Stadium, and the surrounding green spaces. Vorobyovy Gory station was closed for reconstruction for almost 20 years, from October 20, 1983 to December 13, 2002. If you go straight to Viewpoint, you need exit 2. Then you won't have to climb that long staircase next to the bridge. There is an escalator inside the station. Exit number 2 is located under the Luzhniki Bridge. From it to the escalator gallery is 250 meters. The escalator gallery at Vorobyovy Gory was first opened to passengers on 1959. When the Vorobyovy Gory metro station was closed for reconstruction in 1983, the gallery gradually fell into disrepair, slowly deteriorated, and was completely closed by the end of the 1980s. Reconstruction of the escalator gallery began in 2019. The reopening took place on December 23, 2022. By the way, it's my first time using this escalator. The height of the escalator gallery on Vorobyovy Gory is 34 meters. This is comparable to the height of a 10-story building. We have reached Kosygina Street. Now we will walk along the Walk of Sports Glory to the cable car station. The cable car on Vorobyovy Gory in Moscow has been operating for a while, since November 2018. I've never used it. Enjoy the views of Moscow. However, clouds are low today, and you can see only 3 districts from the viewpoint. One of them is Hamovniki. There are several videos about it on the channel.
Yo!